Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about best budget phone under 15,000. Now when we talk about best budget phones, that too which is non-Chinese, then the only brand which comes into our mind is Samsung, right? So I had ordered a Samsung M21 phone for my father because it was his birthday, and my papa does not use, like, he is not a mobile freak, so he wanted a plain simple UI phone which had all the features. So as you can see, it comes into two variants, and I had ordered 4 GB 64 GB variant, and the other variant is 6 GB 128 GB. So the variant which I chose, it had this deep blue color, and the other one was black color. So I thought blue would be good because black tends to become monotonous when it comes to fathers, because they've always been using one color phone. So I think this looks pretty good, and when I unbox this, I find this beautiful packaging of Samsung phone along with its charger and the USB which we usually get with all other phones. And here we get user manual guide for this phone. There are three such guides, and then we have SIM opener for the SIM tray, that is the pin. Now let's just open the polythene layer over it and look into how the phone actually looks and feels. So it looks good. I really like this color, midnight blue. It's deep, it's purely one color, like there's no gradient in it. And this is a fast charging adapter which we get along with this phone, which is white in color. And here we switch on the phone, Samsung Galaxy, having battery capacity of 6000 mAh. However, it does not support wireless charging. One good thing about this phone, that it has Gorilla Glass, which I really like, and comes with USB port C. This phone has octa-core processor of 1.7 GHz. It has a rear camera of 48 megapixel with rear autofocus and rear flash, with front camera of 20 megapixel and with no front flash. It has various modes like wide video and slow motion, all of those which we get in regular phones these days. The touch is really smooth, and it has a plain simple UI which makes it very clear for my dad to use this phone. It is totally user friendly. Now coming to the settings part, this phone is having an operating system of Android 10. Guys, the camera quality was really good. I had clicked a few pictures, but I was not able to upload it into this video. Now I will just uninstall those apps which are not required and which my dad would not use. Guys, this phone is really sleek, it's thin, it's lightweight, it's user friendly. Let's just check out how the voice quality is. And I'm going through YouTube finding a... okay, I found an appropriate video. Let's just play it. Okay, I think the volume is pretty good. Sound quality is also good. And just checking out the touch time and buttons. So we have power button, volume up, volume down buttons. Everything is smooth and sleek. On this side we have the usual SIM slot. Now let's just open the SIM slot and see the SIM tray. It has two SIM slots. Both of them would be nano SIMs, and we have one micro SD storage slot. So all in all, I really like this phone under budget, and do let me know what are your thoughts on this. Please do like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments below.